Dear students, now we are going to discuss in work power energy chapter need based MCQs questions. Question number 1 from scalar or dot product in this heading. Let's see the question. Question number 1. If P vector equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 cap and Q vector equal to 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. Find the angle between the two vectors. Okay, that is 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, so let's see the solution. Listen, first இந்த கொஸ்டினில் என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்கன்னு எழுதுவோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு P வெக்டார் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. ஸோ the P வெக்டார் வேல்யூ that is P வெக்டார் equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 cap. Next, Q vector is given, that is 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 cap. So to find the angle between these two vectors, so theta is asking. P vector, Q vector is given, the angle is asking. It is clearly mentioned from, this is from scalar and dot product, sorry, scalar or dot product. So let's see the solution. Actually, you know, in the scalar product, the formula, the angle between the two vectors, that formula in scalar product, that is P vector dot Q vector, that is equal to PQ cos theta. So this is the formula for dot product. So here we need the angle, therefore cos theta is equal to, so P க்கு இந்த வந்து divide ஆயிரும். So P vector dot Q vector divide by PQ. PQ is nothing but, that is a magnitude. அப்போ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா, that is P vector dot Q vector divide by modulus of P vector is nothing but P. Modulus of Q vector is nothing but Q. Therefore, now we can substitute this value here. Therefore, cos theta is equal to P vector value, that is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 4 cap. Again dot Q value 5 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 cap. Then divide by, then how to find the modulus? Modulus, that procedure you know, that is whole root of addition of all the value, square and addition of all the value. அப்போ பாருங்க, so how to find the modulus of P vector, that is 2I square, 2I whole square plus 3j whole square plus 4k whole square. So like that will come. So all the values in plus, you know, because it is a modulus within the modulus. So 2 squared is, first 2, so 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9. Okay, within the modulus plus value only. 4 squared is 16. Then into 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. 4 squared is 16. Now cos theta is equal to, it's a dot product, so directly you can multiple. So I dot I is equal to 1. You know that I dot I is equal to 1. Like that Q dot Q equal to 1. K dot Q equal to 1. Okay, I dot J, that is equal to 0. So we can multiple with the same type of vectors alone. So 2 into 5 only you can multiple. So 2 into 5, that is 10, plus 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 4 into plus 4, plus 16, divide by root of, so here 16, 20, 29, root 29, then here 20, 45, here 45. Therefore the next step is cos theta is equal to 10 plus 16 plus 16. So here minus 4 into plus 4, here minus 16. So this is minus 16. So plus 16 minus 16 divide by within the root 29 into 45. So in the denominator whatever it is, no problem, because in the numerator value 16 minus 16 is 0. So 0 divided by anything, any value, 0 divided by anything is, that is 0 only. Therefore we can write cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. When the cos value will get 0? If the angle is 90 degree. So in this question, option D, the fourth option, 90 degree is answer. Okay, thank you.